Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I was only mentioning whether I could take a short break, but it seems that I can't because there are new questions coming up. So there's one question on a cat, the cat. So the subscriber concern asked me, what is the difference? So that brings me to a topic which is very common. When students write essay, we can actually see a lot of mistakes when they use and when they use the, especially and the. They get very confused. So I thought that since there are questions concerning, or there are problems concerning this area, the. So I would today not take a rest and give you a lesson on and that is the first one. Following that, I will bring in the, and then the next lesson I will just combine. Then you'll be able to see how and the differs, the difference between and the. Then it will be much easier for you when you are maybe doing homework assignment or following the lesson in school, or you might be working and you might want to use and the in your working paper. So after today's class, I hope you will get a clearer picture of the difference between and later on the. So as usual, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Lee, and I'm actually from Penang. My hometown is Bukit Mertajam. For the past more than 10 years, I've been here in Kluang, Johor. And I have a tuition center here where I teach every day, Monday to Sunday or Sunday to Monday. I teach every day, or I say Sunday to Saturday. And besides teaching, I'm very involved in the day-to-day administration of my own tuition center. In my free time, yes, I like to upload videos concerning the weakest part, I should say, of most learners of English, that is grammar. They get very confused and they don't understand. That is why I choose grammar as my first focus. And later on, I may go to other things, I don't know. For now, I think my priority is grammar. Any part of grammar, or every part of grammar, I should say. So I have already finished writing my own book. The whole book is on grammar, complete with answers, and it's a complete set of grammar, every grammar that you can possibly think of. And there are altogether 1,384 questions in my book for you to try. I have provided the answers behind the book, so you can actually try and refer to the answer behind to see whether you have got your answers correct. Many times students get their answers correct. They base on, it should be like that, so they just write the answer down. But actually they don't know why the answer is such. Or there may be students who have done the exercise and they got it wrong. But then they don't know why they are wrong. So because of that, once my book is printed and distributed to those who have ordered the book, I will use this platform, YouTube, my own channel, to discuss, to explain first every chapter. So chapter 1, I will explain, okay? Then I will discuss the answers with you and let you know why the answer should be like this, so that you have a clearer picture, so they can actually sort of attending a class through my YouTube, rather than coming to the the physical, the physical classroom, attending the class. Of course, that is wonderful. If you can meet me in person and attend my lesson, of course, that would be wonderful. But then this is a very good channel. YouTube is actually a very good invention for us to present our views, ideas and knowledge and share it with everyone and anyone. Alright, if you wish to order a book from me, then please WhatsApp me. Okay, remember the WhatsApp number? WhatsApp me, but not for personal problems. Please do not ask me or tell me personal things in the WhatsApp, because I'm unable to answer everyone. I cannot do it. So if you have any questions related or relating to my lessons or your own self not understanding a certain part of grammar or anything about English, you are most welcome to put your questions in my YouTube channel. Alright, and I will get back to you. For sure I will get back to you. Okay, I will answer you. Now, this lesson 112, 112, is actually on articles and the or the. These three words are under the category of articles. But for this lesson, I will only touch on N and Alright, first of all, you know that there are 26 letters or 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E until Z, or some people call Z. Z is American. So, among the 26 alphabets, A to Z or A to Z, there are 5 letters or 5 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U, which we call vowels. And the rest of the 21 alphabets or letters are called consonants. So consonants means they are not A, E, I, O, U. So that's how our and N comes into the picture. Now, N means one. Also means one. N is used for vowels. That means A, E, I, O, U. So if I want to say, in English we seldom tell people, I have 1 apple. I eat 1 egg. We seldom do that. We normally use 1 for very specific reasons, maybe for science or mathematics, where we specifically need to tell the digit. Otherwise, no. I ate 1 orange. No, we don't do that. So 1 apple, we should say an apple. 1 egg, we must say an egg. 1 igloo, we should say an igloo. Now I think you know what an igloo is. An igloo is a house that is made of ice, you know, where the Eskimos live, you know. So a simple picture to show you what an igloo is. Okay, so igloo is like a house, you know, it's in the shape of a dome, a semicircle, and it's made of ice. So 1 orange is called an orange, 1 umbrella is called an umbrella. But then, if I want to say 1 boy, I should say a boy. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. All we use a. So a boy, a car, a doll, a frog, a goat, a hat, a jug. You know what a jug is for you to put water or orange juice? A kettle when you boil water. All these we use a. We do not use 1. We cannot use N because They are not A-E-I-O-U. They are consonants. So consonants means not A-E-I-O-U. So if you are talking about one consonant word, then you should use a. If you are using a vowel word, then you should use an. And then you look here. This is the special situation. If I were to say, can you see I write H here? Now this word, the pronunciation is a hat, sound. A horse, sound, horse. You do not say os, is wrong. I have heard people saying that. You do not say house. You say house. Okay? I have heard many people talking, my house is there. It is not right. It is wrong to say house. You must say house. But this word 60 minutes is 1 hour or an hour. That means the pronunciation is what you call a silent H. That means H has no sound. We pronounce hour. Because of the pronunciation so we say N. It's because of the way we pronounce the word. So you cannot say hour. You say an hour. And this word is not hour, it's hour. H has no sound, it's a silent H. And same here. You start your pronunciation from here. Honest. Do you know what honest means? Honest means to say you tell the truth, you don't tell lies. You do things the right way. You don't cheat, then you are honest. So an honest, not a honest, no. So because of the pronunciation, orange. So we use N, we cannot use a. For this one. And umbrella, sound, so N. But uniform. Because the pronunciation is U, Y-U. University, U. Uniform, university. Because of the pronunciation, which starts with Y. So Y, example, Y, yam, or some people say yum. I should say yam. So a yam, it starts with Y. Or you can even say a yolk, or an egg. Yolk, the yellow part of the egg, the round yellow part of the egg. Here I use N because of E. Here I use A because of Y. So because of Y we use A. So you cannot say an uniform, you cannot say an university. You should say a uniform, a university. Alright class? So that's all for today, a very short one. Focusing on N and then A. Focusing on that truly. And I can't bring in the because I'm afraid students may get confused. Okay, because the has a few regulations, not one. This one is more is a simpler one regulation. And I bring the special part for you to see. It's all based on your pronunciation. So I repeat, means one, N means one. N is for A-E-I-O-U, which are called vowels. N is for consonants. Consonants are not vowels. Okay, so A-E-I-O-U, we use N. If not A-E-I-O-U's, we use when we are talking about one. So we don't say 1 egg, we say an egg. And then the special situation, remember? Hour and honest, we use N. We don't use because of the pronunciation. We pronounce as hour, sound. sound, umbrella. All sound, so you use N. For uniform and university, although they start with U, the pronunciation is Y. So you use you don't use N. So I hope you understand today's lesson and you like it. And remember to WhatsApp me if you want to order your book. Because once I start my lessons on following my book, I will not be sending the book to be printed and then go to, to send it out to you. I can't do it. It is now. If you want, you have to do it now. And starting next month in May, I will be informing you about my courses, face-to-face courses, which I will conduct outside Johor. I'll be going up like KL or hopefully Penang, or of course Sabah. I was in Sabah for many years. I was in Kota Kinabalu, I was in Tenom, I was in Beaufort, or Beaufort some people call it. I was in Sandakan, and I was teaching in all the schools there, and I was also teaching in Kinabalu Commercial College in Kota Kinabalu and also in Sandakan. So I actually have many anak buah. Many of my students and are in Sabah, and if there are enough people in Sabah, I don't mind going to Sabah one more time to conduct face-to-face courses. I will announce it in May next month. For this month, I'm focusing on my grammar book and ready to be sent out. Once everything is okay, I will inform you, and then you get your book. Once you get your book, I can kick off. I can start on my YouTube channel. And next month, I will inform you about courses which I'm planning to conduct face-to-face outside Johor. So that time, if you want to register, you can also do through my WhatsApp, only for that. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Nice to meet you here. If you like my video, please support me. Please give me a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.